Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to solve one problem. So this problem will be based on convergent or checking convergence of series. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and share this with your friends. So without further ado, let's get started. So what the problem says, so given three series and we have to check whether these series are convergent or not. The first series says n, where an is this n cube plus 1 raised to 1 by 3 minus simply n. Okay, we have to check whether this series is convergent or not. So before we check whether this series is convergent or let me recall one formula. We know that a cube minus b cube is what? A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. That means what? Our a minus b will be a cube minus b cube divided by this quadratic term, a square ab plus b square. Okay, so let's substitute this n cube plus 1 by 3. So this same term I can write as this form, n cube plus 1 raised to 1 by 3 and n raised to 1 by 3 raised to 3. So I have made exponent common for this, n cube raised to 1 by 3, let's say. Okay, so let's suppose this is my a and this is my b. Then what will happen? N cube plus 1 raised to 1 by 3 minus n cube raised to 1 by 3. Okay, so our n is nothing but our n cube raised to 1 by 3. Okay, so now what will happen? If I cube this term, I will get n cube plus 1 raised to 1 by 3 raised to 3. So this 1 by 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So I will simply have n cube plus 1 minus b cube, means what? We have to cube this term. So what will be the cube of this? Simply n cube. Okay, divide by this quadratic term. So a square means what? N square plus 1 raised to 1 by 3 to the whole square. So this is simply 2 by 3 plus a into b. You simply multiply this 2. I will get n cube plus 1 raised to 1 by 3 into n cube raised to 1 by 3, simply n plus b square. So what is the square of this? Simply n square. Okay, so this n cube and this n cube will get cancelled. I will simply have 1 in a numerator, and this terms we have n cube plus 1 raised to 2 by 3 plus n cube plus 1 by 3 into n plus n square. Now see, these terms are non-negative, means what? This my whole term will be strictly less than 1 by n square. If I eliminate positive terms from the denominator, my whole term is going to be less than the 1 by n square. Okay, now see, if I compare, so this is my left hand side, n cube plus 1 raised to 1 by 3 minus n cube raised to 1 by 3. So this is our an. Now see, we know that this series is convergent, and in fact value of this series is pi square by 6. This is well known series. Whenever my bigger series is convergent, then my smaller series has to be also convergent. Okay, so and this is by comparison test, okay, so this series is convergent. Let's look at option B. What they have given? They have given n cube plus 1 divided by 2 raised to n plus 1. Okay, let's try to check this series is convergent or not. Before we go ahead, let me recall what is a ratio test. How do we check ratio test? Whenever my an plus 1 by an has limit n tends to infinity is less than 1, we say series is convergent. Or in other words, if my limit an by an plus 1 is greater than 1, then we say series is convergent. Okay, so this is our ratio test. Let's try to check by a ratio test. If I take ratio an by n plus 1, what will be my this ratio an by n plus 1? This is simply n cube plus 1 by 2 raised to n plus 1 into an plus 1. What will be an plus 1? You simply replace n by n plus 1 throughout. This is simply n plus 1 cube plus 1, and this is 2 raised to n plus 1 plus 1. Okay, now we have to evaluate this limit as n approaches toward infinity. Okay, apply limit here. So cubic upon cubic will cancel in a way. Okay, so we will left with this 2 raised to n plus 1 means simply 2 raised to n, 2 into 2 raised to n plus 1 divided by 2 raised to n plus 1. Now in next step, if I take 2 raised to n common throughout, I will get 2 raised to n, 2 plus 1 by 2 raised to n, 2 raised to n, 1 plus 1 by 2 raised to n. This 2 raised to n will cancel out. If I approach n towards infinity, this is 2 raised to infinity. So we will have 0 in a denominator. We will have infinity in a denominator, so that we will have 1 by infinity means 0. So this is nothing but 2 plus 0 upon 1 plus 0, simply 2, and which is greater than 1. And whenever my this ratio n by n plus 1 is greater than 1, my series is convergent. So by ratio test, second series is also convergent. Okay, let's try to look at third option, what they have given. So this is interesting. An is equals to n plus 1, n plus 2, so on up to 2n divided by n raised to n, and we have to check whether this series is convergent or not. Okay, again we will go by ratio test. An by an plus 1. What is my an? N plus 1, n plus 2, and last is n. 2n means what? N plus n. Okay, and in denominator I will have n raised to n. If I look at this n plus 1, I will have n plus 1, n plus 2, second last term will be n plus n, and n plus 1. This is n plus 1 term. Okay, and upon n plus 1 raised to n plus 1. Okay, now see, this is up till n plus n, everything will get cancelled out. We will left with simply 2n plus 1 here. Okay, and here this n plus 1 raised to n plus 1 I can write as n plus 1 into n plus 1 raised to n divided by n raised to n, and we have here 2n plus 1. So this is our an plus an upon n plus 1 term. Okay, now we have to approach limit. Okay, let's approach limit on either side. This limit n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1 into n plus 1 upon n raised to n. Okay, if I take n common throughout, I will get n into 1 plus 1 by n, and this is 2 plus 1 by n. This n will cancel out. Similarly, if I break the fraction here, I will get 1 plus 1 by n, and this is n. If I approach limit now, so what is the limit of this? Simply 1 by 2. And what is this? This is nothing but e. So this is e by 2. Now you tell me whether e by 2 is greater than 1 or less than 1. So value of e is nothing but 2.2303. Okay, which is greater than 2 means what? When my e is greater than 2 means what? E by 2 will be greater than 1. So whenever this is greater than 1, my series is convergent. Okay, so this series again convergent by ratio test. So if I look at the options, so all three options are correct. So my options are A, B and C are correct.